Moin Akhtar, 1950-2011, was a legendary Pakistani actor, comedian, host, and impersonator known for his versatility and exceptional talent. Over a career spanning 4 decades, he became a household name through iconic TV shows like Loose Talk and Rosie, stage performances, and hosting major events. Renowned for his mimicry and social commentary, he elevated Urdu comedy and drama to new heights. He received prestigious awards like the Pride of Performance 1996 and Sitara Imtiaz 2011. Moin Akhtar's legacy as a pioneer in Pakistani entertainment remains unmatched. Moin Akhtar passed away on April 22, 2011 in Karachi, Pakistan at the age of 60 due to a heart attack. His sudden death was a significant loss to the entertainment industry and he was deeply mourned by fans and colleagues across Pakistan and beyond. He left behind an enduring legacy as one of the greatest entertainers in the history of Pakistani showbiz. MD Udan News TV Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social workers Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil Cooks, Desi eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil White Kadahi, Koi Jat Kadahi and Elvex Beauty Soap. And marriage proposals for all caste. Mobile number 0323 4787 870. You are watching Udan News.